Why should we promote sustainability in schools? We're looking at reasons why sustainability should be promoted in schools. We chose to look into this area because we feel it's a key aspect to learn for the future generations. Each of our opinions are portrayed throughout this presentation. What is sustainability? We have found a variety of concepts in relation to sustainable development. The Department for Education and Skills said it's about ensuring a world-class economy for future generations, and it's about giving this country skills with real shelf life. Landlearn LSW state, taking what we need to live now without jeopardising the potential for the people in the future to meet their needs. Both organisations agree in stating how sustainability means looking after our world now and maintaining what resources we have to prevent future disasters. Stephen Sterling writes, the key to creating a more sustainable and peaceable world is learning. This highlights the importance education's role is if we are to create a more sustainable world. The Department of Education and Science strongly expresses how schools have a role in helping their pupils make sense of these experiences and in developing their knowledge and understanding of the physical and human processes which interact to shape the world. The United Nations also agree that everyone should have the opportunity to acquire the knowledge, skills, attitudes and values necessary to shape a sustainable future, which goes to show how education can make a life-changing role in giving you the opportunity to make a difference to our planet. Education undoubtedly plays a key role towards promoting sustainable development and making people aware of the issues surrounding the topic. By teaching sustainable development in schools, it is informing the people that it will affect the most, those people being the younger generations. Our current Department for Education, whilst under Michael Gove, has failed to properly support sustainability education within our schools. Like it or not, politics have to play a part if we are to see significant pushes towards sustainable futures. With no appropriate policies in place, it becomes very difficult for schools to make sustainable education a core part of the curriculum. In his 2013 curriculum, Michael Gove removed specific references to sustainability. This sits in contrast with Education Scotland, whose curriculum makes particular reference to sustainable development education. The current Minister for Education also does not seem to have sustainability especially high on her agenda. The Education Scotland programme also makes specific references to the idea that sustainability can be taught across the board and not just in a single area of the curriculum. A pattern that can often be seen in English schools is that sustainability is only taught within the sciences. As previously noted, it is fully possible for lessons within many different curriculum areas to include references to sustainability. A 2009 Ofsted report stated that embedding sustainability activities within the curriculum and across the school can have positive and tangible impacts, including raised motivation, attendance, attainment, and behaviour of learners. This is not to mention potential future benefits we would likely see from having a country full of engaged and concerned citizens. These factors are important for the future generations to attain and further develop. This shows positive impacts resulting from the teaching of sustainability to our children. Sustainability is clearly not a priority in our schools. As we have already said, the Education Secretary, Michael Gove, removed the specific references to the environment. Ofsted require results from the core subjects, such as English and Maths. Therefore, teachers feel pressured to get the best results from their pupils, meaning not concentrating on important issues surrounding today's society, such as the environment. They have to ensure they get results fast, resulting in finding simpler ways to teach their classes, and not being creative or even having the time to put it into the lesson plans. We decided to carry out a questionnaire within a school to see whether children aged 8 were aware of the term sustainability. One question we asked was, what do you think being sustainable means? One response we received was, planting trees. Another child said, not sure. We also asked whether they recycle at home. The percentage of children who do recycle is 60%. At this school, they carry out after-school clubs, one of these being Bug Club. This gets children in touch with the environment. We asked whether they would want to also attend a gardening club. The percentage of children who said yes was 54%. Our results show how children do not understand the importance of sustainability. As they said in our results, they were not sure what sustainability is, and others said planting trees. Over half the children in this class said yes to wanting a gardening club. This shows that children are interested in learning more about the different factors of sustainability. The butterfly effect will play a big part towards making our planet more sustainable. If we manage to change seemingly insignificant actions in our lives and make them more sustainable starting locally, this could result in dramatic results eventually reaching to other areas of the world. We believe the government is too focused on the current curriculum in schools and want children to get the best grades rather than give them an understanding of themselves and the world around them. We argue sustainability should be a priority in their learning. There is a lack of awareness in sustainable education, not just in children but in adults too. This tells us that if adults are ignorant towards sustainable development, how do we expect the future generation to want to be interested? By identifying this factor that plays a big part in lack of awareness, this can go towards helping clarify how areas need to change. This shows how important teaching children sustainable development can be. We want to change the future together, and this is how we are going to go about changing it.